Today I am going to draw a milk carton. So, let's get started. First, draw the front face. Start by drawing a rectangle. This will be the front face of the milk carton. You can use a ruler to ensure straight lines. Draw a parallelogram. From the top of the parallelogram, draw two upward lines of equal length. Connect these lines at the top with a horizontal line to form a small rectangle. This will be the top flap of the carton. Now draw a triangular shape by drawing a lines. Now draw a straight line. Then draw one more line to draw a side face of milk carton. Now draw a pipe at the top. Now draw some curved lines to add some details. Then draw a small circle for eye. Then add one more circle in it. Now draw one more circle and add a small circle in it. Now draw two curved lines for eyebrows. Now draw a large oval shape. Now draw two small ovals in it. Now draw two drop-like shapes at the top of carton. Now refine the shapes. Go over your drawing, refining the shapes and ensuring all the lines are straight and clean. Use a ruler to help with this. Carefully erase any unnecessary or overlapping lines to clean up your drawing. Now our drawing is completed, so it's time to add some colours. Milk cartons often have blue, red or green colours, depending on the type of milk. Use different shades to add depth and realism. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more art tutorials for kids. By following these steps, you should be able to draw a detailed and realistic milk carton. Adjust the shapes and details according to your preference to make your carton unique.